Hello, I'm Thinev. Tell me talk about a tern. You're more likely to find terns in fishing villages than in open ocean. The Greater Crested Tern. The Greater Crested Tern, also called Crested Tern or Swift Tern, is a tern in the family Laridae. A large elegant tern with a very long lemon yellow bill. Nests in dense colonies on coastlines and islands in the tropical and subtropical Old World. Black cap does not extend down to the bill. The Greater Crested Tern has grey upper parts, white underparts, a yellow bill and a shaggy black crest that recedes in winter. Juvenile is scaly looking with much more black on the back and wings. Occurs along coasts and estuaries, very rarely further inland or on freshwater ponds, lagoons. This is an adaptable species that has learned to follow fishing boats for jettison bycatch and to use unusual nest sites such as the roofs of buildings and artificial islands in salt pans and sewage works. Their calls are like locally named Maha, Konda, Muhudu, Lihiniy. I have not seen the Greater Crested Tern. As mentioned, you are likely to see them in coastal areas, more so near fishing areas near fishing villages.